Dumela, welcome back to Tswana class. So I'm back with another class extension or video extension, whatever you want to call it. These are some of the classes that we did. So we just kind of redoing them or like re buffering them. Is that a word? Okay, I just invented a word. Anyway, so welcome guys. I hope you have fun today. So I chose the lesson present tense and past tense and all that because I feel like it's a lesson that has a lot to it, and if we can like reopen it and like extend it to be something super yeah, to be something super big, to be a full class to be precise. I'm not gonna be long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start the class. But before I do that, I just want to make sure that my sound is correct here. So give me a second before I...
Musadiyo waja. Musadiyo waja. This woman.
Okay. I'm still trying to figure out my sound here, so I know people are gonna watch this and be like, what's going on? I'm sorry. I seemed to have figured my things out, but I don't know. I do not know what's happening. So yes guys, let me see here. Seems to have figured my things out.
Musadiyo waja.
It seems like I can hear the sound from the live stream, but I cannot hear it here, which is a problem. So bear with me guys if I'm still trying to figure out. Okay, there we go, found it. Alright, we're back.
Is eating.
Let me start that. Okay, so we are back. This is past and present tense, so hopefully there's something we can all learn here. I really apologize for the sound. So let's go ahead and...
Musadiyo waja. Musadiyo waja. This woman is eating. Musadiyo ujile. Musadiyo ujile. This woman have eaten. Musadiyo wanwa. Musadiyo wanwa. This woman is drinking. Musadiyo unole. Musadiyo unole. This woman had a drink.
I'm also looking for like typos. I think as I rewatched this video, so I realized there are some places where there are typos. So, but basically, yeah, so far so good. Anyway, let's just continue.
Basimaneba batamega. Basimaneba batamega. These boys are playing.
I just want to say Also, basimane means boys. Tamek obviously means play. But I should actually also include ladies, because if it's like girls, you're gonna say basitsana. Basitsana ba tameka. So yeah.
Basimane ba tshamekile. Basimane ba tshamekile. Ke go ruta go dumedisa. Ke go ruta go dumedisa. I am teaching you to greet. Ke go rutile go dumedisa. Ke go rutile go dumedisa. I have taught you to greet. E, ke a dumela. E, ke a dumela. Yes, I agree. E, ke dumetse.
Basically, I just want to explain this real quick, because maybe somebody's going to watch this video and start getting confused on what's going on. Dumela, dumetse, greeting. So, to greet in Setswana, I say dumelang, which means agree. I know, it just seems random, but it is. So, also when you say, I agree with you, ke a dumela, or when you say, I mean, it depends when you were using it. I hope that's. Am I making sense? I'm trying to like make sense here. Like the word dumela or dumelang doesn't necessarily come out as a greeting all the time, depending when it's used. Please let me know in the comment section if you don't get what I'm trying to say.
E, ke dumetse. Yes, I have agreed. Ke a go bitsa. Ke a go bitsa. I am calling you. Ke go biditse. Ke go biditse.
Okay, seems like that's the end of that video. So yes, let me know also in the comment section if you don't understand. I'm trying to do these videos to like be clear and clarify, and also like correct typos or where I might have misspoke. So I'm really relying on you guys to let me know. I know there are also a lot of people who speak Tswana who watch these videos, and maybe they can also comment. And yeah, so far this lesson was clear to me. There's nothing much I can add or remove. Yeah, so let's move on to the next video. Okay, the same thing is going on again, so let me just go ahead and make sure that I can hear the video as well. There we go. So yeah, let's go.
Ke le gakolola mafoko a Setswana. Ke le gakolola mafoko a Setswana. I am reminding you Setswana words. Ke le gakolotse mafoko a Setswana. Ke le gakolotse mafoko a Setswana. I reminded you Setswana words. Ke batla go reka koloi. Ke batla go reka koloi. I want to buy a car. Ke rekile koloi. Ke rekile koloi. I bought a car. Ke batla go palama koloi. Ke batla go palama koloi. I want to ride a car. Or I want to ride on a car. Ke palame koloi. Ke palame koloi. I am riding a car. Ke a bereka. Ke a bereka. I am working. Ke berekile. Ke berekile. I worked. Ke a
Before we go any further, so far this video is clear. There's nothing much I can add, same as the other video. So wow, I'm a pretty good teacher. I'm impressed because most of the time these videos I make them like in a hurry, and also doing the editing and doing the research, because you can't just go and teach people without doing a little bit of research and making sure that what you're saying is really what is supposed to be said. But I do want to point out a typo here. Let's go there. So this word is choroja. Choroja, not choroja. I mean choraja. Because in Tswana, just one letter can change the whole thing. I mean, I guess it happens also in other languages as well. But yes, here this word means a whole different thing. So instead of O-R-A there, you have to say O-R-O, just like the other word, the chorogile. So that's the typo. So this word, I might as well just teach you. It's to kick. Let's say, ke go ruta go raga bolo. I'm teaching you to kick a ball. So it's a different word altogether. I really apologize about that typo.
Ke a goroga. Ke a goroga. I'm about to arrive. Ke gorogile. Ke gorogile. I have arrived. Ke a laela. Ke a laela. I am saying my goodbyes. Ke laetse. Ke laetse. I have said my goodbye.
Okay, wow. So far, I have not detected any sort of sentence or anything that needs correction. But before I go, I just want to say thank you so much for your time and for subscribing. I know it's night time here. That's the only time I can do videos, and my eyes are red, so I'm sorry. So yeah, thank you so much for all those who are watching these videos. It really means a lot, and for the comments and likes. Yeah. So far with this video, I didn't see anything that I can like really add on. Um, I mean, this is like just a tip of the iceberg of vocabulary that you can learn about past and present tense. Um, and I really hope that you stick around to watch even more words and other lessons to come. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, welcome. There's nothing stopping you from subscribing. Yeah, thank you so much and have a good night.